Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here. Today we're making a beautiful kale salad. Something healthy and something tasty. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We're going to use some apple cider vinegar as one of our acidic components. We'll also be using dried blueberries in this, and you can find these over by the raisins. Speaking of raisins, you can use those instead if that's your jam. Apples provide a nice crunch to this delightful salad. This happens to be a Red Delicious. Some honey for a bit of sweetness and some protein and some crunchy goodness with some almonds. We're going to use olive oil, and not shown, we'll be using a little lemon juice. The star of the salad is kale. We're going to wash the kale really well. Dry with a kitchen or paper towel. We're going to cut off the stems and pull the beautiful leaves from the tough stems they're attached to. Next, we're going to give our kale a rough chop. We have our Red Delicious apple right here that's been washed, and we're going to give it a peel. Then we're going to slice it thinly. I used to not care for fruit in salad, but I must say that I'm a convert. I really enjoy the play of the sweet and the savory. Now we're going to mix our dressing ingredients into a little zip top bag. Apple cider vinegar, olive oil, honey. Adding the oil first helps the honey slide right off the spoon. Neat little trick. Lemon juice, a bit of salt, and a few turns of pepper. We're giving it a little stir before zipping up the bag and giving our dressing a robust shake. Here we have our kale, almonds, and dried blueberries. Let's put our salad together. In a large bowl, we've added the kale, now these almonds and dried blueberries go in. Our salad dressing, or technically a vinaigrette. We're going to work that dressing over everything really, really well. We don't want any bits of kale going without dressing. If you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.